How to change Snapchat username without waiting 1 year. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Snapchat on your phone. Then you want to tap on your profile that is on the top left corner. Tap on settings that is on the top right corner. Here, to change username, you'll have to wait 1 year. As it says, you want to tap on continue, then you want to go back. So again, you'll be able to change your name but not your username within 1 year. So to be able to change your username in 1 year, what you need to do is you need to scroll down to the bottom, and in the support section you need to tap on I need help. Just tap on I need help. After some time you will be reached to this page, and then in the search bar you want to search for change username and tap on the very first link. After you do that, you'll be able to see this. Then you want to tap on it was not helpful, that is, you need to tap on that cross sign right there. Select some reasons and then tap on submit, and you'll be provided with this guideline. And this is how you can change it. So there is no way you'll be able to change your username without waiting for 1 year. So I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.